Buenos dias everybody, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Today I want to show you guys a quick makeup look for Halloween. I actually found these little ears at Dollar Tree and they actually came with like a little leopard bow and a leopard tail, but since I have so much leopard I just put on a leopard shirt. I did this look in about 10 minutes or less, so I just wanted to show you guys that this could be done with probably everything that you already have at home. If you need a last minute Halloween look, I don't know if I'm going out this Halloween because of COVID, but if you are, maybe you would like to dress up and do this really quick, especially if you're like trick-or-treating with your kids or something like that and you don't want to spend too much money. I think this is the way to go. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and keep on watching. I started with a fresh face. Of course, I already did my eyebrows. I'd already put on foundation and concealer on the spots that I wanted, of course underneath my eyes so it doesn't look dark. I started with a fluffy brush. I used a burnt orange looking color, so I just kind of like put the color where I wanted the spots to go. If you are of a lighter skin complexion, I would use a brown color so that the spots can stick out, but obviously my skin is already brown, so I had to use a different color that would actually like kind of stand out against my skin. So I used like a burnt orange and then I kind of went over that with like a shimmery copper looking color. Again, just use whatever eyeshadows that you have. Try to find like a matte one and then try to find like a shimmery one and then go over it. Then I drew out each spot. I actually used this Tarte liquid eyeliner. It's called a double take eyeliner. It has both, like on one side it has a charcoal pencil that's on one side, on the other side it has a very pointy part where you could just draw like that. So I used the pencil and I just drew out open circles, but you make like squiggly lines so that it doesn't look like too perfect or too round. And then I also did dots, random dots all over my face. I also put some along my neck because I just figured I was gonna put a shirt on and I wanted the leopard spots to go down into my neck as well. Use the pencil to do my eyeliner. I just did kind of like an extended wing. I came towards the tear duct and then I kind of extended the line there. I also went in with this white NYX liquid liner, put a little bit of the white inside the wing, and then on top of that I went over it with a gold. It's a liquid crystal body liner from NYX. It's a shimmery gold color, so I also went over and I did that, and then I decided like the shimmery gold looked so nice, so I decided to go on all the spots. I thought that it would just be more enhanced, and who doesn't love a little more glitter, so I added some glitter there as well. I did a half circle on the tip of my nose here. I drew that out all in black, and then I did this line down here. I also did some black dots right above my lip, and I also put some gold dots above my lip as well. I don't have any black lipstick. I use this dark purple lipstick that I have from Wet n Wild in the color Vamp It Up. So I just put that all over my lips, and then when I felt like it was kind of like almost dry, I mean it's not a matte lipstick, but I just put on some of the same black eyeliner, but I used the pencil part. And if you have any kind of eyeliner or anything black, then I just kind of went over the lipstick with that to like make it look a little more darkened, because I don't have any black lipstick. I just don't usually wear black lipstick anyways, but you know, whatever. So that's it guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys have a safe Halloween and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.